What's good, YouTube? Fuck you talking about? Real nigga vlog, Kyle in this bitch. Soundy a bitch pussy farting. Yo, I'm listening. This video is going to be my favorite patterns, shells, colors, all that good shit. So, the animals that I got, the ones I think had the coolest from the turtles, the coolest shells, the lizards, the coolest patterns, the snakes, the coolest patterns. So, let's get into it. I'm gonna show y'all some heat. Oh yeah. Alright, so first, gotta get this bitch in 4K for y'all. Let me lift her out the water. Look at that shell, y'all. It's just like so unhealthy that the colors are like reflective. And if you see it in person, you'll be like, that's what everybody says. Oh man, that shell. Yeah, bro, that shell's nice, ain't it? And she's hungry. Y'all know her strike range is all the way right here. But she still lets me grab her right up there. Isn't that crazy? Look at that, guys. So she's not too mean, but still can bite me. Yeah, this is my favorite. Not only because she's super big, but because of, like I said, look at this color. Oh, look at that color. It's like different shades. You see it? Seashell or something. Alrighty. We'll leave her alone. Move your face, boy. Sit. Killer, sit. Good boy. Killer is my favorite dog off appearance. Let's show you when you can't see those eyes. Hoo. All white body, black head. If you saw that dog, you would not have. Killer's huge. Oh yeah, good boy. Don't lick my hand and get hurt in the water. Come on, up. Killer. Hey, up. Come on. Good boy. That's yeah, Killer is huge. He's pretty tall. He's taller than every other Akita we've met with him. Ouch. Shit. Calm down. Yeah, definitely a good looking dog. We got him in 4K. Albino green iguanas. Ooh. Look at those. Definitely some beautiful colors. Not really patterns on them, but they got good looking colors. Oh yeah, look at that one. And here's my follow around. This nigga follows me everywhere. Come on, Stanley. Come on. Literally. In here, I don't know. Besides, where is she? Gracious, she not really worth pulling out though. Like, not like that, but you know, I like the big snapper turtle. Her shell is my favorite out of all three of these guys though. Stanley, go get a life. Oh, stinky leg. Damn, let me get all that food. Okay. So his pattern is alright. He's a normal. He a little dusty. I ain't gonna cap. But her, oh yeah, she is decent. Love it. She like a whitish blue, and she be looking good. Bruh, leave my pocket alone. Stanley made a full recovery though. Y'all look at him. Getting taller. Why are you coming over me? Oh, you're trying to get my. I'm like, why are you standing on me? Up next, we got The only thing I like in this, like Chopper's of course cool, but yeah, he looks cool. I don't really like this tank though. But that one back there, ouch. He's biting my fingers. There's a goldfish in here with the white mouth. And it's really cool in person. Leave me alone. All right. Now this boa's face isn't the best, but when you get to the body and when you take her out, I love the iridescence she has. And I love how light she is compared to other boas. And then last, but definitely not least, we got my chunky baby, Monster. And man, I love this animal. She has one of the coolest patterns, I think. And I gotta get my humidity game better because she can look really blue. Where is it? Look at that blue. Yeah, you can barely see it, I know. But yeah, Monster can get really, really blue. It's really, really cool. And I wanted to keep her like right here, but she likes going on my shoulder like a bird. Yeah, look at Monster, guys. How cool is that? Look at her eyes. Look at those horns. Beautiful rhinoceros iguana, man. Beautiful rhinoceros iguana. Alright, that's the end of this video. Just wanted to get y'all, my favorite patterns in the house. Let me know what y'all think. And I'm gonna do a full apartment tour soon, so we did one on Anissa's channel if y'all wanna check out everything we got. I know a lot of people asking. Show us all your animals and shit like that, so I'll leave a link in the description. So this is around the time where the emu's ready to go to sleep. And I need to be doing most of the care for them when it comes to cleaning their poop, all of that. Look at this dude. But yeah, look at Stanley. What? What you want? You can actually tell he tried to push out, but these locks are in, so he can't get out. But look at that, guys. What's up, dude? Let's see what happens when I put my hand in here. Oh shit. Oh fuck. Oh. Go back in there. We got the birds out, boy. You're not gonna eat my emus. And a lot of people might say, oh shit, never mind. Stanley, you're messing it up. A lot of people might say, oh, you scared of that snake? Hell yeah. I don't wanna get bit. And the truth is, I'm not scared of them. But I just don't let the dumbass people talk. In reality, though, I'm not gonna sit here and let the nigga bite me or let him bite my emu, though. That wouldn't be smart because he'll eat Stanley. Man, look at these guys. Looking so good. It's hot as fuck in here.